ya okonyo. Ramogi TV, Nairobi.
Lek mar Raila Odinga mako lemo mar jakom tend riwruog Afrika medo yudo sir lwedo katinende jatend Kenya William Ruto ne opuoyo piny Ghana kuom yie siro dwaro makama. Ruto ne opuoyo jatend Ghana Nana Akufo-Addo e kinde mane otwak gi jofwamb weche limbe mare e pinyno endo. Ruto ne oketo nyime agenda mar goyo debe ne Raila Odinga ne lemono. Ruto singo ni en bende obiro siro Ghana e lek mare mar manyo kom mar jagoro maduong' e riwruok mar Commonwealth.
Your Excellency, my dear brother, I thank you most sincerely for accepting to support Kenya's candidature for the position of the chairperson of the Africa Union Commission 2025-2028, which has been initiated following comprehensive stakeholder engagement process across government. I have assured His Excellency that Kenya will support the Republic of Ghana for the candidature of Honorable Shirley Bochi, Minister of Foreign Affairs and Regional Integration, for the position of Secretary General of the Commonwealth for the period 2024-2029.
Ghana and Kenya established diplomatic relations shortly after Kenya gained her independence in 1963 and have been active participants in regional and international fora, collaborating on issues of mutual interest such as peacekeeping, regional integration, and sustainable development.